Most business owners are still asking, how do I get more reach, more clicks, more conversation? That's the wrong question for the market you're actually in right now. The right question, the one that separates the businesses that compound over the next 3 years from the ones that quietly become irrelevant, is this: can your business be understood by a human and interpreted by an AI agent at the same time? Because if the answer is no, you're not just behind on technology, you're behind on the entire operating model of what business is becoming. Look, growing up in the Bronx, you learn to read the room before the room tell you what is happening. My parents, they worked inside systems their whole lives that never communicated with each other. And they paid the price for that disconnection every single day. I carried that awareness into a career as a clinical and business intelligence analyst inside major hospitals and clinical systems where I watched the same fragmentation destroy outcomes at scale. Charts over here, billing over there, patient history somewhere else, care teams in one silo, financial data in another, nobody talking to nobody, and patients and institutions both suffering because of it. Then electronic medical records came, then integrated infrastructure, then coordinated systems that made the whole organization communicate, prioritize, and act as one connected operation. The breakthrough was never a single piece of software. The breakthrough was always infrastructure. The moment everything started talking to everything else, outcomes changed. Revenue stabilized, the organization became more legible to itself and to every system inside of it. That is the exact movie that business owners are watching right now, and most of them do not realize it yet because they are too close to the screen. Picture your business 2 years from now operating as a fully connected intelligence. Every lead that comes in is captured, categorized, and routed by a system that understands context. Every piece of content you produce is structured so that both a human reading it and an AI agent processing it can extract exactly what they need. Your CRM talks to your follow up talks to your your delivery talks to your retention talks to your revenue data. And your AI agent moves through your entire operation, reading it, executing inside of it, optimizing it, while you focus exclusively on the decisions that require human judgment. That is not a prediction. That is the infrastructure that is being built right now by the businesses that saw this coming. The only question is whether you're building it with them or watching it from the outside. Here's the one thing that reframes everything you think you know about where AI is going. The conversation has already moved. It moved from models to infrastructure, from infrastructure to system, from system to monetization. The businesses that win next are not the ones using the best AI tool. They are the ones architecting businesses that humans can trust and AI agents can understand, execute, and optimize. That is a completely different game, and it requires a completely different build. First belief shift. Stop thinking that great content is enough in a dual audience market. Humans need story, emotion, clarity, trust, and transformation. Of course they do. The game doesn't change. But machines need structured data, semantic clarity, connected context, proof, metadata, and executable workflows. Your content currently speaks one language. The market now requires two simultaneously. A funnel that persuades a human but confuses an AI agent is a funnel that's already half broken in the infrastructure layer that is running underneath every platform, every ad network, and every distribution system you depend on. Feel me? The second belief shift is stop treating your disconnected tools as an acceptable operating model. Your funnel does not talk to your CRM. Your CRM does not talk to your follow up. Your follow up does not talk to your content. Your content does not talk to your customer data, your ICP. Your delivery does not talk to your retention. That's not a tech stack. That is the same fragmented chart system I watched break healthcare outcomes for years before integrated infrastructure came in and changed everything. AI models alone do not fix fragmentation. Agentic infrastructure does. And the difference between those two things is the difference between a business that learns and compounds versus a business that stays manually duct taped together while the market moves past it. So here's your third belief shift. Stop thinking of AI as a tool you use and start treating it like an operating layer you architect. Tools get picked up and put down. Operating layers run underneath everything permanently, reading your data, executing your workflows, coordinating your systems, and optimizing your outcomes in real time. The entrepreneurs who make this mental shift in 2026 are going to be in a categorically different position in 2027 when the gap between businesses with connected AI infrastructure and businesses still operating manually becomes impossible to close quickly. The window to build early and build right is not permanent. You heard me? The window to build early and build right is not permanent. The window to build early and build right is not permanent. That is exactly why AI Money Map is built to install. Not a tool, not a template, an agentic infrastructure layer that makes your business legible to humans and executable by AI systems simultaneously. I know I messed up that word. But look, in those instances, we start with a full diagnostic in the current architecture, mapping where your systems are disconnected, where your content is unstructured, where your data is siloed, and where your agents cannot read or act on what your business is doing. Then we build the connected infrastructure that closes every one of those gaps. Structured content that speaks to both audiences. A CRM that talks to your follow-up. Follow-up that talks to your delivery. Delivery talks to retention. Retention that feeds your revenue intelligence. And agentic workflows that move through your whole system, learning, executing, and optimizing, so your business compounds faster than any manually operating competitor can keep up with. The businesses that install this infrastructure early will learn faster, compound faster, and monetize faster. The businesses that wait will not just be behind on tools, they will be behind on operating intelligence. And operating intelligence, once it compounds, is not a gap you could close by working harder. Be kind of late in the game for you by then. It's really a gap you close by rebuilding from the foundation up, which costs dramatically more in time, money, and lost revenue than building correctly the first time. Here's what I know about where you are right now. You have built something real. You have invested in tools, platforms, content, and systems. And underneath all of that investment, the pieces still don't fully talk to each other. You feel it every time you have to manually move something from one platform to another. Every time a lead falls through because nobody owned the handoff. Every time you cannot answer a simple question about your own pipeline because the data lives in 4 different places that never communicate. That is not a hustle problem. That is an architecture problem. And it is the same architecture problem I watched fragmented healthcare outcomes for years before the health IT infrastructure revolution changed everything. Now, the agentic revolution is here. It's not coming. It is already separating the businesses that architected early from the ones still asking which AI tool they should try next. In 2026, the market realized agents are not toys. They are workflow participants. In 2027, the gap becomes structural. The time to build is now, while the infrastructure advantage is still available to the operator who moves first in their market. 2 choices. You keep building for one audience. Keep crafting content that persuades human while your system remains invisible and unreadable to the AI infrastructure that is now running underneath every platform you depend on. Or you build for both. Install an agentic infrastructure that makes your business legible, executionable, and optimizable by the most powerful operating layer that's ever been available to an independent business owner. One of those businesses compounds. The other one explains to itself every quarter why the numbers are not moving the way the effort deserves. DM me the word money maps right now. Let's audit your architecture, identify every place where your business is speaking only one language, and build a connected infrastructure that makes you legible to humans, executionable by agents, and monetizable at a level that a disconnected operation can never reach. That dual audience era is not a trend. It is a new operating reality. Step in now.